Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. And today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set B IEO question paper for class 3 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO and IMO question papers for class 3 students. You please go to the playlist in students reference channel and click Olympiad class 3 to get these question papers. And today's first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 to 13, choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Example, the sun rises in the east. 1. Jane will cook dash her mother for of by. The answer is A for Jane will cook for her mother. 2. The art of beautiful writing by hand is called dash. Handicraft, calligraphy, handmade. The answer is B. Calligraphy. 3. My mother gave me dash useful advice. The, and. The answer is B. My mother gave me a useful advice. 4. My cat likes to dash milk. Drank, drink, drinking. The answer is B. Drink. My cat likes to drink milk. 5. I see some sheep grazing in the field. Dash have been marked. She, it, they. And here some sheep indicates plural. So we have to select C, they. I see some sheep grazing in the field. They have been marked. 6. We all play dash in the morning. Early, earlier, earliest. The answer is A, early. We all play early in the morning. 7. I can't understand this. Please write dash. Clearly, freely, kindly. The answer is A, clearly. I can't understand this. Please write clearly. 8. Joseph never dash to his brother. Listen, listens, listening. The answer is B, listens. Joseph never listens to his brother. 9. Poverty is dash global issue. A and the. The answer is A. Poverty is a global issue. 10. I love my grandparents. I dash visit them on weekends. Always, never, hardly. The answer is A. Always. I love my grandparents. I always visit them on weekends. 11. Seema shed dash when she got a scolding for not completing her homework. Rat tears, crocodile tears, cock tears. The answer is B. Crocodile tears. 12. We discussed the matter dash. Really, briefly, cleanly. The answer is B. Briefly. We discussed the matter briefly. 13. My brother was dash in England. You read the options carefully. The answer is B. Born. My brother was born in England. For questions 14 and 15, choose the words which mean same as the underlined words. Example, I am sleeping. Sleeping means resting. 14. Rabbits like to hop. Here the underlined word is hop. Walk, jump, run. The answer is B. Jump. Hop, jump. 15. Each cone has 4 dollops of ice cream. Cups, bites, scoops. Here the underlined word is dollops. Dollops means scoops. So the answer is C, scoops. For questions 16 and 17, choose the words which are opposite of the underlined words. Example, the painting is beautiful. Beautiful, ugly. 16. Look, the tree is shedding its leaves. Shedding means dropping. Growing, dropping, leaving. So the opposite of shedding is growing. A, growing. 17. Whales squid water through their snouts. Snout means the projecting nose and mouth of an animal, especially mammals. Drink, spray, leave. The meaning of squid means spray. So the opposite of squid means drink. A, drink. Squid, drink. Reading for questions 18 to 21. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Hello friends. My cousins are coming from Sweden next weekend. It is their first visit to our country and I want them to feel welcomed here. They are eager to meet you all and find out more about our school and life here. We would learn something about Sweden to use in our class project. Please join us for lunch at 12:30 p.m. next Sunday. There will be Mexican and Thai food and many flavors of ice cream on the menu. My brother Ken has some swimming pool games for us to play in the evening. Bring your swimsuits and a change of clothes along. See you, Robert. Example: who has written this letter? Robert. 18. Robert's cousins live in Das. Robert's house, Sweden. Ken's house. The answer is B, Sweden. 19. The word life in this text means Das. Staying alive, living conditions, place to live. The answer is B, living conditions. 20. The menu does not include Das food. Mexican, Thai, Indian. The answer is C, Indian. 21. The children will bring their own Das. Games, swimwear, projects. The answer is B, swimwear. For questions 22 to 24, choose the correct answer. Example: I take care of plants. I water them every day. I remove dead leaves from the ground. I am a gardener. 22. I put out fire. I wear a uniform. People call me when in trouble. I am a Das. Policeman, fireman, God. The answer is B, fireman. 23. I grow vegetables. I sow seeds. I use a tractor. I am a Das. Vendor, hawker, farmer. The answer is C, farmer. 24. I work in a school. I use markers or chalks. I give homework. I am a DUS. Teacher, principal, peon. The answer is A, teacher. Spoken and written expression. For questions 25 to 30, choose the correct option to complete each conversation. Example: what is the date dash? It's 26th July. What is the date today? 25. Reena, have you submitted your homework? Mira, no, I dash. Haven't, don't, hasn't. Here, have is the keyword. So the answer is A, haven't. No, I haven't. 26. John, I plan to watch a movie this Sunday. Will you come, Danny? Danny, thanks for asking, but I dash. Here, but is the keyword. Will, I am busy, want to. The answer is I am busy. Thanks for asking, but I am busy. 27. Hari, what will you do after school? Sam, play football. Dash. Well, please coming. The answer is C, coming. Play football, coming. 28. Rick, Mom, dash buy this toy? Mom, sorry Rick, you already have too many toys. I can we, will I? The answer is B, can be. Mom, can we buy this toy? 29. Joy, I want to buy a gift. Can you help? Salesman, dash. No, sure, don't bother. The answer is B, sure. 30. Joy, do you have any pineapples? Shopkeeper, Yes, they are dash the watermelons. Next to, next with, next. The answer is A, next to. Yes, they are next to the watermelons. Achievers section 31. Choose the adverb from the given options. Adverb means the word which describes the verb is known as adverb. Come here and take your seat. And here your. The answer is B, here. Here describes the verb come. For questions 32 and 33, choose the correct option. 32, you should consider all the dash of the situation. Beck and call, pros and cons, leaps and bounds. The answer is B, pros and cons. 33, Geeta came and sat dash me. Besides, beside, along. The answer is B, beside. Geeta came and sat beside me. 34. Choose the word opposite to the given word. Abrupt. Abrupt means sudden. Hasty, uncommon, gradual. So the opposite of abrupt is C, gradual. Abrupt, gradual. 35. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Justin, when's the spring break, Jane? Jane, in just dash weeks. Too many, some. The answer is A, 2, in just 2 weeks. So my dear students, today we have discussed 2016 BIUO question paper for class 3 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.